minutes.
5 more minutes.
Shit, sorry, hon.
Yes, some clown crashed a server in a law firm downtown and ended the world as they know it, so, yes.
Hey, you guys playing poker?
Private game. Piss off.
I got the money. You know what I'm saying? There's an empty chair. You sit right
That
here.
is Lucky's chair.
What the hell is this?
You've been a bad boy.
Yes.
They get punished.
Punish me.
Ooh.
Have you been selling big guns to bad people?
Huh?
Racine, you okay?
Taxi?
John Smith?
The target's name is Benjamin Dance, a.k.a. the Tank. I need you to make sure the target does not change hands.
All right, go, Jazz.
The target's name is Benjamin Dance. Facility. The only point of vulnerability is just south of the border.
Perimeter is armed. We are up and running.
Countdown's initiated. Convoy is not in the zone yet.
Not a civilian.
Get me that tank. Jane, get me that tank.
I told you we couldn't afford any mistakes on this one.
There was another player.
You have 48 hours to clean the scene, Jane.
Jesus. What did you do to it? All right. No name, just an address.
570 Lexington Avenue, Suite 5.
Sweet Jesus, Mother of God.
Jane, it's your husband.
Perfect timing.
Allow me, sweetheart. I got it.
I'll get a towel.
Honey?
Jane! Jane!
Look! We need to talk!
Pocket litter, seats, matchbooks. You know the drill.
Commence scanning all floors. Intruder detected.
Chicken shit!
Pussy!
Jane?
Is that you, sweetheart? 2 more on the primary and secondary breaks? Maybe?
Promise to leave town, or I'll blow it.
I give up. Blow it.
You think I won't?
I think you won't.
Goodbye, John. What the hell was that? What? You said goodbye.